In Goldsmiths, at the start of the year, you get your own set studio space, which you retain for the whole duration of the year. We don't have to like hot desk or anything. And that space is yours, and you can put up like whatever you want to, and you can keep it as your own, and you can stay here, you know, until you're kicked out, basically. This is a digital knit, which you can do at Goldsmiths. It's an image of a bonfire that we had at our cottage in Scotland. The digital knit machine is very exciting. You kind of submit your image and then you decide what colours you want to use, and it kind of comes up with a very exciting way of seeing the image. I've learned so much from my peers. You kind of learn so much from each other. You give each other like artist references. You make little exhibitions together in your own time. And that's been almost as beneficial as my experiences with my tutors here. It's just a really great way of building an interesting community in Goldsmiths, and you definitely need that, especially because the course is self-led. It's really great motivation to come into studios and continue on working. I really get a sense of a community vibe on this course, and I really love that.